Freezing peaches is a great way to enjoy them later. Here's a simple guide. So what you'll need fresh peaches, a large pot of boiling water, ice water, a baking sheet, freezer bags or containers, and lemon juice, which is optional. But you put it in there, it's so good. Now here are the steps. Number 1, you have to wash the peaches. Okay? So rinse the peaches under cool water to remove any dirt, or else you're gonna eat dirt. You don't want that. Number 2, blanch the peaches. So basically bring the large pot of water to a boil, cut a small X in the skins of each peach, and place the peaches in boiling water for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Now, number 3 is the ice bath. Prepare a bowl of ice water, and after blanching them, quickly transfer the peaches to the ice bath to stop the cooking. Then you let them cool for about 5 minutes. Okay, I'll put everything in the description. Number 4, you peel the peaches. The skin should come off easily. So remove the skins and cut the pieces of the peaches into slices of halves. Removing the pits as well. Now, to prevent browning, if you want to prevent that, you toss the peach slices into a little lemon juice, and then you flash freeze. So basically, you spread the peaches on slices on a baking sheet. You place them in the freezer for a few hours until they're frozen solid. And then number 7, you package and you store. So you transfer the frozen peaches or frozen bags or the containers. So you remove as much air as possible before sealing them, and you put a date on it so you know when you had them made. And basically now you can enjoy delicious peaches anytime.